Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Logically. In today's video, we will be writing a program to check whether a number is a prime number or not. First, let's see what is a prime number. So, the prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1 without remainders. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. It means if I divide a number by any other number, then the remainder should not be 0 in case of prime number. So let's just get started with the program. I'm having a variable of type integer. Let's assign a value as 5 to it. Now let's check if 5 is prime number or not. I'm having a loop starting with 1 to the number. And for each iteration, I will be checking if a is divisible by I or not. If it is divisible by I, it will return the remainder as 0. So in this case, as we know, every number is divisible by 1 and that number itself. So we will be modifying this condition as 2 to a minus 1. Now let's say we have found a divisor for this number, then the number is definitely not a prime number. In that case, I will be printing not a prime number. And once I have found the condition or result, I will be breaking the loop because we don't need to check it further if it is prime or not, right? So let's see if it doesn't go into if for any of the iteration and for loop runs for each and all operations and it comes out. It means the number is prime. It has not found any of the divisors other than 1 and that number itself. So in that case, I will be printing a prime number. Let's try and run this program. Yes, a prime number. Now let's check it for the even or not prime number, let's say. So 50 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 2, 5, 10 and so on. Okay. But as you see in the output, it is showing both of the statements because we haven't checked anything before printing this statement. So we need to fix this. To fix that, I will have a flag. It should be var because I will be changing its value. Default value true. And if I find out that the number is not prime, I will update this flag to be false. Now before printing this statement, I am checking if is prime, then only print that it is a prime number. Otherwise it has been taken care in the if part. Now let's try again. Yes, not a prime number. Any other number, let's say 37. It is a prime number, and 38 is not prime definitely because it is divisible by 2 and it is returning us the correct result. So that's it about this program. So the purpose of this video is not to learn how to check a prime number. If it is pretty simple program, as you all know. So the purpose of this video is to learn about loops in Kotlin, how the range is used. So this program can also be solved with the while loop. So I request you all to explore it. Try to write it with the while loop, and let me know if you find something else, what you find useful more for or while. Okay. So that's it for this video. I will meet you soon in the next one. Till then, keep coding. Bye.